Welcome to South Aussie Shooting Channel. Today's review will be about the Nitecore Intellicharger I2. I got this from eBay. You can get these from $25 all the way up to $53, which this one was, with two 18650 batteries. The Panasonic protected batteries, and I bought this for my Eagle Tac light as spare batteries because it has its own inbuilt battery which is shrink wrapped together, so I can't have separate batteries together, so I bought two. And this charger does only two batteries. One goes there, one goes there, and you can charge a few different types of batteries, all the way from 26 650s all the way down to 16 340s, and it can do the nickel metal hydride, the cadmium, I think it is, and AA, AAA, C's, rechargeables. And this is supposed to be a smart charger. It recognizes what battery type you've put in there, and it does its own charging modes to CC, CV and trickle charge. It's reading off the features. It's capable of doing two batteries simultaneously, so if one's more charged than the other one, then it doesn't affect, it's not going to charge at the same time. It's going to be independent, so each two battery slots monitors and charges independently, what we were just saying. It identifies what battery type it is, if it's a Li-ion battery, nickel metal hydride and cadmium ones, and automatically detects the status and selects appropriate voltage and charge mode, so then the battery is not going to overheat and explode. It has up here little three lights that flash, and if it's really low it will be on the bottom, and then it will go up and down like that until the solid bars come up, and once it gets to the third one and isn't flashing, that means your battery is all charged and it will shut off instantly. And this one here, if it's still charging, it won't shut off while that one's on because it's a smart charger. It three color LEDs changing for each battery. Automatically stops charging when complete. Features reverse polarity protection. If you put the positive where the negative is down there, it's not going to destroy it or overheat. It's designed for optimal heat distribution from these vents up the top and down the bottom. It gets pretty hot when you're charging batteries, but shouldn't. It's certified, and it has a car charger in it as well, which I found out you can get some things for it, which is also good. So you can, if you're out and the batteries go out, and then you can get this charger and plug it in the cigarette lighter as well, instead of if you're out in the field where you're not getting any power and you've only got your car, or you just hook that up to the cigarette lighter and you'll start charging the battery from there. And I'll show you the stats. It's got AC power, 10 to 240 volt at 50 to 60 Hertz, 8 watt, DC 12 volt and 8 watt. Output max is 4.2 volts plus or minus 1% divided by 148 volt 1%, and 0.5 amps. Comes in this yellow box and black box. Nitecore is also a light brand, so all light brands have their own different box chargers and equipment. So taking it out, I've got the charger, the AU plug, and the end that clips in. The instructions and warranty card. So this is up close. It's spring loaded. And the lights up the top here. The picture of a little battery. The vents on the bottom. On the back, and here is the power port and the charger port, and left the charger inside the car charger, but it comes with one. Sometimes you don't have that option. Some have an option thing on the side of the box here, which says optional car adapter, so look out for that. And plug that in, and I'll go set it up now in the power port. Alright, so it's plugged in. These are the batteries, Panasonic NCR 18650. These are pretty big batteries. They're not bigger than normal AA batteries. With the these batteries have a little top, which is positive, like normal battery, and a flat bottom. And what you do is you pull them down, slide it in, and now the bottom light is on. Zoom up. Not sure if you can see that. It's just gone up to the second line because it recognises what battery it is. And now it is charging. Do the same, negative on the bottom, positive at the top. It waits a while, it flashes on the bottom to say what it is, and then once it goes to the second one, it's charging. It's now moved up to the third flash, which means it's pretty much fully charged. Same with the other one. And as soon as it stops flashing, that means it's full, and it will shut off and it won't continue to charge anymore. This normally takes around a couple hours maybe. I've got to look at the book again, but in 2-3 hours time it should be fully charged. And if you're trying to charge by the car, I'm not sure on the time on that, but it should do it in the same amount of time. So that's it.